Hello everyone. This math is about division, and today I have a math where 8 should be divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 equals what? We will find it out. It's a very simple math, it's a very basic one, and I will try to explain it slowly, assuming that we are the beginners, we are learning. Let's get the process. So here you can see that 8 divided by 4 equals what, and I would like to put this number will be divided by this divider. This part is called divider. Here it is 4, and we are dividing. We are dividing today number 8, and I will write it the way I prefer to do it. I'll put this number 8 inside a cage, and the divider is there. The cage is closed here, and this way we can systematically do it nicely. And of course, for the times table of number 4, I need help side. Why times table? How do I know that times table of number 4 is here necessary? Because the divider is 4, so we need to have the times table of number 4 here. Let's check it out. I am hoping you know the times table of number 4. So we know that 4 times 1 equals 4, and when we see the value here, 4 is smaller than 8, which is good, but we need to count more times table so that we can see how close we can go here, because we need to go to close to 8, very close to 8 or equal to 8. We are looking for that number, very close or equal to 8, considering this math. So let's see if we can find a closer number to 8, or it becomes a bigger one. We are not never we are never crossing 8, never going over 8. We need to be below 8, less than 8. 4 times 2, we are getting here 4 times 2 equals 8. We are exactly getting the equal number of 8 by multiplying this 4 by 2. So when we multiply this divider by 2, always remember to put this, we are getting 8 here. I'll show you again. 4 times 2, then we are getting 8. And always remember to this answer side numbers. These are very important. Without putting these, never put this in advance. Remember to put this answer side number first, and then you put this 8 here. Now we need to do subtraction, and according to the rule we know that when we do division, and after putting the number after the times table, we need to check for the balance, and here the balance we have is 0, so no number left, and we don't have any more number on the right of this edge. So the math process is completed, and I should be writing the answer separately. So it was here we know that the math was this one, and we found the value of what, which is 2. Therefore 8 divided by 4 equals 2, and this is the answer. I hope you understood the video. If you watch it multiple times, then it will be even more easier for you. And always remember to memorize times table. For multiplication, for division, you always need to have this times table memorized. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will be joining to my next video as well. Until then, bye bye.